to our channel. Today we will be making mango mochi ice cream. It's a Japanese dessert that I love. And it's our first time making it, so we're just gonna see how it turns out. So right now we are doing a food tour, and right now I'm at my great aunt's house. And yeah, so we're gonna be going to different houses of our relatives to make food. So the ingredients you will need is 2/3 cup of mochiko rice flour, potato starch, a sifter, a whisk, and a bowl, a cup, granulated sugar, mango ice cream. You could use any ice cream of your choice. We just chose this one. Plastic wrap, a tray, a fork, an ice cream scooper, cupcake liners, a cupcake tin. So you're gonna scoop out 8 scoops of ice cream and round it out with a spoon if it's not the shape you want it. So once you have all of your 8 scoops, or how many you want, all into these liners, you're gonna want to put it in the freezer for the remainder of the time. Okay, we already pre-measured it, and we put 2/3 of this mochiko rice flour into the bowl. And then you're going to be adding 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. Okay, so now we are going to be adding the granulated sugar. You could use any sugar you want, but ours has a little bit of cane sugar added into it, so I'm just gonna add that. It's 1/2 cup. It's a mixture of raw sugar and cane sugar. So we already pre-measured our water, and it was 1/2 cup. Okay, then mix it. So adding water should be around 1/2 cup, but if you need more, it should look like this. So once you have everything mixed, you're gonna put it in the microwave and have like a microwave cover over it and microwave it for 2 minutes. Okay, so you're just gonna take it out of the microwave. We're going to be putting potato starch in the sifter, and then we're gonna dust the cutting board with potato starch. So I'm gonna put some potato starch in the sifter. I think that's good for now. And sift it onto the cutting board. I'm just gonna put that there. And once that it's kind of cooled off, we're going to be putting the mochiko in the potato starch. Now you're gonna put more on the top, and you don't want to knead the dough inside the potato starch. You just want to put it on so it just doesn't stick to your hands. Okay. So that looks like enough, and you want to pat the dough into a rectangle. Be careful because your dough may be hot. Okay, so once your mochiko dough looks like this, you're gonna put, you're gonna slice it into 1/8, but first we're going to be gonna lay one on the plate. You don't know how to cut things into 1/8. You just cut it in half, down the middle, then cut it in half on each side of the middle. And then this side. Then straight down the middle. So after you cut it into 1/8, you are going to take one piece of your dough and take off the excess potato starch on top of it and put it on. Then you're going to take your plastic wrap and then put it on top of the other one, just so they don't stick together. And you're just going to be doing this process for the remainder of the pieces of mochi. So the mochi has cooled about 30 to 60 minutes long, and what you're going to be doing is grab one of the squares, put it, saran wrap, and put your mochi like this. Get one of your balls. This one looks like it would fit. And now put it face down so the bottom is flat. As you can see, it looks like that. And now fold your mochi together. So you're gonna fold all the ends. Once that's all folded, fold it into this. And then twist it. And then put it faced up. Then you're gonna do that to all of the mochis. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys one more time so it's clear. Okay, so take your mochi, put it upside down, like that. And now you are going to be folding the flaps to make them touch. Just like that. And then you're going to take it again, fold it, and then turn it into a ball. Then put it faced up like that. I'm gonna do the rest and show them what they look like. Okay guys, so the mochi has been sitting in the freezer for like an hour, so I'm gonna go show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting it in half. So the inside looks like this, and let me taste it. It's really good. So everyone, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and hit the post notifications bell. And we will be doing more of food tours in the future and making more flavors of mochi. Thank you for watching. Bye!